Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about common problems with a refrigerator that require repair. Refrigerator is a complex machine. A refrigerator develop issues like cooling problem, defrost problem, faulty wiring, broken drain plate, sparking from socket, door closing problem, drainage blockage, etc. Most common problems are defective freeze MCP. Defective freeze MCB. Here MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. If your fridge does not start, it is always recommended to check the MCB. Problem with MCB can be a leading cause of refrigerator breakdown. In such case, call a refrigerator repair professional. Another cause, insufficient current. The leading reason behind refrigerator not working is insufficient current or voltage to the unit. Check the current and voltage of the outlet with a multimeter and voltage tester device. Another reason is faulty evaporator fan motor. A defective motor is a leading reason behind refrigerator not working problem. In many cases, the refrigerator unit will shut down immediately or won't start at all if the motor is defective. Motor usually have to be replaced when they get broken. In such case, call a fridge repair professional. We will go to the next reason, which is faulty compressor. We know that compressor is the heart of a refrigerator unit. It is responsible for refrigeration cycle. If the fridge does not work, the compressor might be defective. The compressor is a motor which compresses the refrigerant or coolant and circulates the refrigerant through the evaporator and condenser coils. Problem with compressor may cause the fridge to shut down. Keeping compressor clean and lubricated can help to prevent refrigerator startup problem. Next reason comes dirty condenser coils. At the back of a refrigerator, there are condenser coils that convert high pressure temperature gas into high pressure liquid. During this conversion, the condenser coils dissipate a lot of heat from the If the condenser coils are covered with dirt, heat may not dissipate properly, and refrigerator may not work efficiently and may stop working completely. Next reason is coolant shortage. If the fridge doesn't have enough coolant, it may not turn on or may not operate correctly. The coolant circulates through the evaporator coils and cools the air flowing over it, and eventually sends cold air in the food section. So, when the level of this refrigerant becomes insufficient, the refrigerator may not work properly. We recommend you to consult a refrigerator repair professional to refill the coolant. Another reason is faulty start capacitor. When the fridge is switched on, the thermostat sends a signal to the start capacitor to trigger the compressor and start the refrigeration cycle of fridge. But when the capacitor goes back, it fails to trigger refrigeration cycle, and in some cases the refrigerator does not even start. In this section, the last reason comes faulty thermostat. If the bad thermostat is the leading cause of refrigerator not working problem. A defective thermostat cannot transmit start signal to start capacitor. The refrigerator does not turn on In such situation, call a professional for refrigerator repair. Thank you for your time.